How to view hidden files on cPanel. This is a step-by-step video, so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. First things first, you want to navigate through your cPanel right here, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the File Manager. Inside File Manager, you can just go ahead and click on the Settings at the top right corner of your screen. Now this menu will show up, where you can then go ahead and see the Show Hidden Files button. You can just go ahead and click on the checkbox right here, and right after you want to click on Save. And from there, you will be able to view all of the hidden files on cPanel. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.